Hi guys, welcome back. And if it's your first time here, I'm Remy. Welcome. We're going to get right into this video. Okay, today's video is this amazing DIY I have for you. But question before we start, how many of you massage your scalp regularly? If not, you need to start. But that's only if you're interested in growing your hair and those edges. Okay? Because massaging the scalp is one of the important things you can do to help with hair growth. You can do it simply with your fingers, but having an oil that can really speed the process. This is why I have made this scalp stimulation oil to share with you. All ingredients I will be using or things that you already have in your kitchen, like rosemary, garlic, black pepper, and cloves. Okay, all four ingredients have one major thing in common. They all help with blood circulation, which is what we need. Okay, let me just quickly mention a few benefits for each ingredient, although I will have that in the description bar. Okay, rosemary promotes hair growth, helps with blood circulation, anti-inflammatory properties, strengthens the hair. Garlic also helps with blood circulation, strengthens the hair. You can actually use garlic for your nails if your nails are weak. Okay, it cleanses hair follicles, it treats dandruff, so much more. For black pepper, black pepper enriched with antibacterial properties, which can help fight scalp diseases. Also has vitamin C that's supposed to help with breakage of with the hair. Make sure you do not use black pepper straight in your scalp. Okay, you can dilute it, or maybe you could do rinse. Okay, a hair rinse with it. For cloves promote hair growth, cleans the scalp, strengthen the hair as well. So guys, in this video I have two options on how you can get this oil. Okay, so one option will take you 30 minutes, the other option about 4 to 6 weeks. So which one do you want? Okay, I'll give you both. Okay, so the first option, which is 30 minutes. All right, so you will need some type of oil. It could be olive oil, sunflower oil, whichever oil that you have. Okay, you're gonna need some fresh rosemary, garlic, cloves, black pepper powder, or if you don't have the powder, you can ground it. I know not so many people cook with gloves, but you can get you some in your supermarket or the spice store. All right, the oil, you're going to place everything in a glass measuring cup and just do the double boiling method, which you're going to see in next clip. Okay, so once you put it there, just leave it for like 30 minutes. Keep the fire really low. The oil is not it doesn't smell bad, and it doesn't smell that strong. The rosemary going to give it such a nice smell. And if it's too strong for you, you can always dilute it with carrier oil, add some type of essential oil, the smell that you like. Okay, so now the second option, and the second option is a cold press oil, where everything all dried, and you're going to put everything in a drawer, put some oil, and place it somewhere for 4 to 6 weeks. Okay, so that oil can actually last you 6 to a year, and it is more beneficial for the hair because it has all the nutrients, because you did not add any heat, compared to the other oil where you have to you use fresh garlic, fresh rosemary. You only can use it up to like a week and few days. And if you want it to last for more than that, you would have to add some type of preservative because you use fresh garlic, fresh rosemary. Okay, so for the cold press oil, since everything's dried, you do not do there's no type of water that was added, no type of moisture, so you do not need anything else. But of course, it's going to take more time compared to the other one, which is like 30 minutes and 4 to 6 weeks. I'm sure all of you are going to pick the first option. But if you want the 4 to 6 weeks oil, which is more beneficial for the hair, I do have the rosemary amla and available on the website. It will be in the description below. Okay, guys, after you're done with the draining the oil, do not throw away the things. Okay, so what you can do, you can actually use it as a rinse for your hair if you're going to wash your hair, or you can use it as a put it in your spray bottle throughout the week, and you can moisturize your hair with it. That smell is going to be a little bit stronger, because if you don't want it to be strong, remove the garlic. Okay, remove the garlic. So it's, since you add hot water, so it's going to really boost up the smell. As you can see what I'm doing right now, I'm not gonna throw it away because everything is good. All right, so I'm going to add some hot water, boiled water, and then put it in my spray bottle and then moisturize my hair with it. Guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. Let me know in the comment section below. Also, click the like button if you enjoy this video, share this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to this channel. Like I always say, have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed day. I will see you on the next video.